Here I wanted in amount column the value should be shown the last value, the last non-blank value of the amount column, which is 20 in this case, in a KPI card. So this is 20, which is the last non-blank value, and that same value is showing up in the KPI card. So let's see how this can be achieved. For this I have created a measure called latest sales amount measure. In this one I created a variable called selected date, which stores the value of a selected value in a table, maybe it January or March, April, any value it will store. And I wrote an if condition where as one value, if it's having only one value, show me that amount, sales amount, as a sum. Since it's a selection of one value, the sum will give you only one value, or else give me the last non-blank value, which is 20 or whatever it is. Give me the max of sales amount. So when I click on a particular value, say March, it is having 6, it should display 6. If I click on May, 23, 24 should display here. If I select nothing, I should get 20. Even though if I filter it down to a particular month, let's say January has 2 values, so the first non-blank value is 24, which can be seen here. If I click January, it will show the first value like that. And even though I put amount column for the reference, if I take it out, I have long list of values of year and month, but I click any of the value or select any of the value, that value should display here. If having no value, then it should show blank. So this is how this DAX expression works. And you might think, where can I use it? So just think about it. A person selection, the name of a person selection can bring a hidden matrices like their age, salary, increment, hidden details like succession, who will be the next successor, and so on. So this can be a very good example to replicate that kind of business use cases in your organization or in your project. If you have any queries, comment below and I will happy to reply you. Thank you.